Hi, in last video we have seen how we can create the pie chart. In this video we are going to see how we can create the bar chart with the same data. Here we are showing in the percentage format, and in the bar format we are going to show in the number format, or we can say in the count. So let's see how we can do. Go to the VS Code, then take one comment. For example, bar chart. Come down, then take one function, then give any name. So for example, I want to give the name bar underscore chart, then default parameter request, then come down, then as usual simply copy this line because we required to add the validation. Simply keep here. So if the request.user is authenticated, then I want to perform something, and if the user is not authenticated, then this thing same only. Okay, then here we have to write the logic. So let me remove this unwanted thing. Yeah, so what I want, so first of all I want to fetch the data like related to the task status. So what is the table or model we are using for the task status? So if you don't know, let me tell you, go to the models.py file and you can simply check for the task status. We are using the task model, task detail. This is the model. Simply come here, then take one variable, task status equals to, you can take any variable, not a problem. Then model name dot object dot value underscore list. So with the help of this value list, we can fetch the value of particular column. So what column I want? See, this chart is nothing but going to display the status related things. So simply come here in the models.py file and copy this one. Then come here and paste here, comma. See, this value list will return multiple lists because this task status have multiple value like in process, open, resolved, closed, expired. So this value list going to be written different list, but I want all the data in the single list. So what we can do, we can use flat equals to true. With the help of this flat equals to true, we are going to get single list. Flat equals to true. Control S, then come down, then take one dictionary, then simply copy this one, paste here, then again here you can take any variable, but this one should be same whatever you have taken here. To avoid confusion, I have taken both the same one. Okay, then come down. Next, what I want, so I want in which style you want to print that particular bar. So what you can take SNS, this SNS is nothing but this Seaborn library alias. If you see here, let me show you. See, import Seaborn as a SNS. So SNS is nothing but this Seaborn alias. Simply come here or set. We have to specify the style here. Style equals to, we have a different style, or style is nothing but the format in which you want to display like color and all these things. So for example, I want to display in the white grid. Then we have to specify the size of the figure. So simply what you can do, simply come here, copy this one as usual, then come here, then paste here. Okay, then come down, then take one variable, you can take any variable, then SNS dot count, one second, count plot. Then here we have to specify the value for the x-axis. So simply copy this one and paste here, comma, data. Data is the attribute, and for this data, simply give this one, Control S. Then come down, then AX dot set, and in bracket title equals to whatever you want. So come here and simply copy this one. Copy this one, and we will modify this one as per our requirement. Come down, then paste here, and in place of pie chart it should be bar chart. Okay, then come here, then simply copy this entire thing as it is. No need to do any changes. Simply copy this one entire, then come here, then paste here. That's it. Control S. So we have to do little bit changes in the task underscore status underscore pie chart dot HTML here. And one more thing, we have to create one URL also for this one. So what we can say, or what we can do, first of all, copy this one and paste below. Otherwise, sometimes this is not coming properly. Then come here, paste here. Okay. Yeah. So our bar chart function is ready. As I told you, we have to do little bit changes in the this one. What we can say here in the task underscore status underscore py dot HTML page, and we have to create one URL also. So simply go to the urls.py file, come here, and here we have to create the URL. Time being, ignore this one because this is I have did for practice purpose for some another functionality. So ignore this one. And here we have to create one URL for the bar chart. Come here. So for example, this one, bar chart. Then here also we need to change bar chart, and here we have to specify the views name which is we are using for this particular thing. So come here, and if you see bar chart, this is our view name. Simply come here and paste here, Control S. So total we have a 3 URL for this dashboard related thing. So the next things what we have to do, simply copy this bar chart URL and go to the task status .py.html. And what we need to do, first of all, let me paste here, then copy this entire thing, then paste here, then in place of this one, status of py, simply paste this one. Okay, Control S. That's it, nothing else. Then come here, let me refresh. 1 second, it's loading. I think we have did one mistake. Line number 345 in the views.py file, indentation error. So go to the VS Code, then views.py file, then line number 345. Where is the 345? This one. What mistake we have did? Okay. Control S. Both should be in the same alignment. Then come here, let me refresh. Our task status bar chart is not showing. Let me check what mistake we have did. Okay, simply copy this one and run here, then go to the VS Code, then go to the views.py file, and where is the bar chart? Here. Let me paste here. Control S. Let me refresh. Yeah, actually we have did spelling mistake, so because of that only it was not coming. So this is how our bar chart is showing, and if you see here, this is the result, closed, reopen, open, in process. Okay, and this here it's showing the count. If you want to change the color, you can change it. If you come here, 1 second, here only it shown different option. 1 second. Yeah, see, for example, I want a dark grid. Simply copy this one, then come here, let me paste here, Control S, come here, let me refresh. See, okay. So these are the different things we have. So thank you so much for watching this video. And one more thing, the next video is going to be more interesting. Why? Because there we are going to see different functionality, like how we can call one function in another function, how we can uh, associate two different functionality on one single click. This kind of things we are going to see, and many more interesting things we will see in the next video. Let me show you one quick things what we are going to see. If you come here, let me accept any task. Okay, 1 second. Just give me 1 second. For example, I want to accept this task. Okay. So previously here we have a three option: go back, close task, remove task. But in the next video, we will see how we can add this closing comment, and how after clicking on closing comment, we can add the comment, we can choose the file to upload here, and how we can close that particular task. And all the details, how we are going to display to the here that file. We are going to give the option for download that particular file, whatever we have uploaded here. So these things we are going to see, and this is little bit advanced, because once you see the code, you will realize this is something advanced, not that much advanced, but little bit advanced we are going to learn. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.